Now, this is a little party cup from the Dollar Tree that's supposed to light up, but mine doesn't, but oh well. Because we're going to light it up with a solar light anyway. I just got to figure out how to do this. Now, this would be a really fun, whimsical decoration, or this would be a great party decoration if you were doing a luau or a tropical theme. But we just got to figure out how to attach a solar light to the palm leaves on the top of this cup. But we have to leave the little solar panel open so that the sun can recharge our little light. So I think really the only way that's going to work is just to cut all the leaves down into individual pieces, and then we can attach those to the solar light like that. And so they'll still come down like the edges of the tree. I'm going to leave the cup blue because I think it's fun and beachy. And I'm going to leave these green as well. So this was really easy to put together as well. I'm just going to use this like a party decor, but it also looks really fun out in my Florida room anyway, because I kind of have a tropical feel out there. So I could kind of use this year round. But I wanted to show you all the cool things you could do with solar lights with the plastic cups from the Dollar Tree that they have out now for the summer. Now, just to weigh it down to make it not so cheap and plastic-like, I don't want it tipping over, I just use some of those white pebbles and just go up a little ways in that to weigh down the base. And then I'm going to replace the top of it with this. Now, I actually made this DIY. Well, this is one of the first ones that I made. And so, yeah, as you can see, I forgot to take off the little plastic piece there because I hadn't learned, because this lights up so much better without that little piece of the solar light that concentrates the light in one area. So I do pop that off later to fix that. So that's why I did that. And so now I just want to go ahead and attach all 6 of the little palm leaves. And so easy. You have a little bit of room around the edges where you can hot glue those on. And if you do block the solar panel, you're not going to be blocking very much. So I kind of go opposite sides, so those will be even, and then I'll do 2 on each side in between. And this worked out really well. It looks really fun and tropical, but again, it's nice and functional because it lights up with the solar panel. So it is fully constructed, our little blue palm tree. So fun. The solar light fits perfectly on the side, on the top of that jar. But this is me popping it off so that I can get that little plastic piece out of there, because it lights up the whole like cup without it and not just a little part of it. So remember to take those things off, an important step in these DIYs. I'm just going to clean up the hot glue and then glue it right back on. So one reason why I'm using the hot glue on these, as you can see, it does make it possible to remove them if you need to, but you do need to have them attached so they will kind of stay together. Wouldn't this really be really cute, like on a tropical luau party table? And it would be functional because at night it would light up as well. This would be really cute to like line your path to like a luau too, something like that, because they're nice and tall, and especially if you weigh them down like that at the bottom. And this is how it looks during the daytime, our little solar light palm tree. They have these in different colors. If you don't like the color of yours, you might be able to change the color, but I kind of like the clear plastic because the light comes through it well. And this is how it looks out in my Florida room at night. It's very bright now that I took out that one little part of the solar light.